Alright, June 19th, 2020. Tyler, he's here, 21:05. I am in Ladysmith, at it again, this time with a northbound on the way. And it just recently met a southbound at Sheldon. The southbound showed up into Ladysmith as of 2026. Got a real beautiful sunset going on right now behind me. As you can see, the beautiful sunset reflections off the back side of the signals, especially on the one that leads from the Bradley to the Superior sub. The 2322 didn't operate today because felt the shock, and it looks like we are going to have a fire call for a situation going on. So pardon my interruption. Let's check out an engine and a rescue unit coming on out. So that'll run in code 3 before we check out our northbound. And the engine is deployed. K2147 northbounder has showed up. Let's check him out as we lean back and get him. Here we go. We got gate drop. I'm off of Fritz. Tier 4. Jeez. 66 death. 2239, 2804, 3877. I have a feeling one of my favorites has probably just come back to service already. This was the M357! DPU coming up! $29.90, another tier 4 credit. National Mountain, KCR 9279, that the train device is going. And I can hear them accelerating away. So just reached milepost 355. So what a surprise. 5-unit lash up on the M357. Guess it was not abolished for long. It's gonna do it here in Ladysmith. Tyler Hayes out.